See what I go on there. I country style curry chicken.
Hey guys, welcome back. Recipe for today, some country style curry chicken. Please like and share. Remember, country style curry chicken, eatable, tasteable. So stay tuned. Please watch the video to the end, like and share. So I'm going to show you how I prepare my recipe. Remember. Hey guys, welcome back to the cooking video. Recipe for today, some country style curry chicken. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients them when we use in my recipe. First panelist, see chicken right there, vinegar to wash chicken. We have some curry in here, I'll show you in this bottle. We have some turmeric, coconut juice, Maggi chicken, Maggi all purpose, fermentor seed, pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, dasheen, onion again, Irish, yam, garlic, carrot, see ginger here, pumpkin, see plantain here, some okra. We have the pear alongside. So remember, country style curry chicken, eatable, tasteable, delicious. Remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack. Alright, my peeps, ready to wash the chicken now. I'm vinegar to it, so running water. Alright, the chicken breast and clean up, remove the skin. Me like take out my chicken skin, but and everybody do it that way, but me, when I curry my chicken, roast a country style curry chicken, thing have to nice, huh? Clean and pretty. I cut them more smaller. More small like these. Yeah. Country style curry chicken I got nice man. See, remove the skin pan away. So my knife sharp, fly chicken leg like a nothing. Bust to a boil. Yeah man, I cut up chicken leg with my knife, man, my sharp knife. Yeah, my peeps and I clean like country style chicken, you know? Country style curry chicken, man. It's like a nice, man. Eatable. You have to dig out the water. Now eat yourself, so. You have to know to clean up a chicken, right? Clean it up nice. Peeps, see there? Country style curry chicken ready here, peeps, see? Yeah, man. I'm hungry in the mouth, I run water. Alright, my peeps, my country style curry chicken, they wash and pretty, so I'll add them back now to the pan right here. Like these. You can see. I give them one more washing now. Yeah, my piece to the final line, huh? So, wash the chicken line. So I squeeze it like this. Wash it with vinegar a while ago, so I wash it with the line because I don't want it dry. So I have to wash my chicken proper, like this. And PT chicken wash and pretty this, and I got some seasoning to it. Some all-purpose seasoning like this. So I'll add some chicken seasoning here also. So I have some pepper, ginger, garlic, scallion, thyme, pimento seed. So I'm going to add it to it like this. Remember a country style curry chicken. I'm going to mustard it, take a finger and I rub it in the season like this. This is the way I see my grandfather and my granny season up for the meat, right? Yeah. So these chicken going to stay in this seasoning for 8 hours. Like this. I'm take my finger and I mustard and squeezing and season them. Squeezing them through chicken pulse. So you know the chicken is well seasoned up. So I'm going to make these ones stay for 8 hours. I'm going to cover it for 8 hours, right? I'm going to light my stove like these now. Yeah. Hey! That one hot, right? So I'm going to add the oil to it. So I just want to step by step. Alright, I'm piece my hot pot hot now and dry, so I'm going to add the oil to it like this. Yeah. Like that and that. That one hot. So I just want to step by step. Some garlic, pepper, and ginger. Put that to my oil, right? My oil is ready now. Add some turmeric to my oil like this. Flavor my oil. Then to add some curry. Enough amount of curry me want like this. This amount me want. So make the curry go and burn like this. So curry it up like this. If you want some more curry, man. And I'll add some more curry to it, right? Alright. I think I eat these now to make my curry go and burn. I like when my curry burn, you know, because my curry burn can't be a belly, nothing, you see. Remember, country style curry chicken, you know. You want to see chicken there. 8 hours in a season for, you know. The curry a burn, yeah. Flavor the oil, you want to say, yeah, man. Only for spice, flavor the oil and thing. Yes, my see curry is there now. Curry burn already, you know, see. So curry could look enough it too black. Yeah. Nah, my color said, no, say burn it already. I'm going to peel. I'll add my chicken to it now like this. Alright. I'm going to make the chicken go and tender fry. For around 15 minutes. I'm going to cover it like this. Go and stir fry. Just complete it and stir fry it. Alright, you want to stir fry some more with these. Remember, country style curry chicken in the morning. Here my pizza, see? So curry chicken, so remember, country style curry chicken. Please like and share. I'm on my pizza there. I'm going to add some Irish, pepper, carrot, onion, and garlic to it.
Yeah, my peeps, what I answer, man. Country style, curry chicken. See, dumpling there, but well knead up and together. Yeah, see? Look at how one. See, potato and the okra, dashi, and the pumpkin are going to curry chicken. That's what I say. Alright. So my peeps there, coconut juice there. Add it to the curry chicken now. Actually freeze up, man, but watch out to see it. Actually freeze up my people. You know what I'm saying? Alright, like that. Like you go and cook, right? In PFC dumpling them there. Country style curry chicken. So I'm going to try the dumpling to it like this. So the recipe is nice, man. Remember country style curry chicken. Now what you looks like coconut juice now. So I say try juice, almost grate and juice out. That's why I look that way. They don't watch a look. They see it. Add me them to it like this. So I go and cook. Some peas, I'm going to add some pumpkin, okra, dash into it, right? And country style curry chicken. Here my people, another update on curry country style chicken. Like to see what I go on now. Just watch what go on, man. Recipe are nice, eatable, delicious. Yeah, my peeps, yeah, man. Country style curry chicken. Yeah, my peeps, I'm finding like Alberta brown rice. I'm going to stir it like this. Something like bottom, why not bottom? Oh, it's a plastic. So I only it's a plastic here. Alright. I'm going to wash it like this. And more country style curry chicken in the morning. So I have to wash the rice like this, right? Remember to wash the rice clean and proper like this. Keep the rice there. I'm going to add it now. The recipe I got nice, eatable, tastable, country style curry chicken. Yo, when I tell you peace, yo, please to like and share. The recipe I got nice. Country style curry chicken. And peeps, lock it now. Go and cook. Country style curry chicken, remember. Country style curry chicken. One can see everything in it. Man, see dumpling, carrot, Irish, dashi, pumpkin. The man, curry chicken, they can see rice, yam, everything in it. So I can go and simmer them and see it. Cook, dry, go down, steam, go down. Country style curry chicken. You want to stir up the pot, you know? I don't want it to burn up, you know. See? Yeah, I want country style curry chicken. So I got nice, man, and eatable, tastable, delicious. Yeah, my peeps, it's a dry down, you know? Country style curry chicken, a dry down, you know, my peeps. So recipe I got nice, man. So you think them cook and already there, you know what I say? If you go and dry down the real way. Okay, thing like country style curry chicken. Here my peeps, see country style curry chicken, I want to see. So go down to dry, you know? You know, I have to dig it up, see, you know, because I have to make everything combine together inside. So, my peeps, see the country style curry chicken there, you can see. Yeah, man, you can see everything in it, right? Yeah, man, go and steam out more still, see, so make it go and steam out some more thing, you know? Yeah, my peeps, see country style curry chicken ready, you know? Now ready to take it, go and steam down some more, because you don't know. I'll show you the flavor and the beauty of it, you know? Chicken and okra, everything, you see pumpkin, dashi, you see yam, everything you see in it, man, you see it. You see the carrot, everything is Irish. The recipe is eatable, tastable, country style curry chicken. Yeah, my peeps. See what go on there. I country style curry chicken. Yeah, my peeps. See what go on there. Give an update. Your man see it there. How could they see me dashing them this see me update, you know? Country style curry chicken ready, you know, my peeps. Dumpling there. Yam there. See carrot. I see everything in it, man. Pumpkin around so yeah. The pumpkin and peeps. Everything ready now. Country style curry chicken, you know. Yeah, my peeps recipe ready and you know. Country style curry chicken ready and my peeps, yeah, outside. Peeps, see there? Country style curry chicken ready here, peeps, see? Yeah, man. Yeah, I'm hungry in the mouth around the water. Yeah! Outside. Country style curry chicken. I'm hungry now, peeps, so you don't know if I share a big plate of this now. It's nice and eatable, tasteable, smellable, delicious. Yeah, my peeps, see country style curry chicken ready, yeah? Yeah, man, you can see everything. You can see yam, pumpkin, okra, Irish, carrot. You can see dumpling there. You can see dashing. You can see chicken also. You can see whole spicy pear there. Yeah, man, you can see whole remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack like and share. Remember country style curry chicken. Yeah, man, the apple steam. She said, well, to see. Just come out and see rice, everything there. Man, it's a eatable, tasteable. Remember Jamaican cooking with lumberjack like and share. Just like curry chicken right there, see? You can see here, man, see that? That pumpkin. Delicious. Eatable, tasteable. Remember to like and share. Jamaican cooking with lumberjack is a tasteable, eatable, see that? Avocado here. Look, you see, the pear in a good look. I tap part of the pear when I'm peeps there, eat and done. See the pear there? Tune off for the pear, see the pear in a good. But I don't something because I know who sell me now. I'm a friend. I go back to her and tell her she want me a pear.